wishing for the kind of love you see in magazines. The illusion falls and nothing's what it seems to be. And the part left is hurting deep inside of me. Heard a whisper, someone saw you at the bar. Was it the same night you had trouble with your car? It's getting old, I've heard your story.
Well, good morning from a sunny looking place called Bullhead by Lachlan in Arizona, and should have a good day today. I'm just about to head on the old Route 66 down to Oatman and Seligman, then some cold riding from there across to Flagstaff down into Sedona. We're going to take the Route 89A through to Cottonwood in Jerome, and then hopefully end up tonight in Prescott.
What you got for us, Bullhead, Guadalajara, Bonito, Big 5 Sporting Goods, Del Taco, coming soon, Dickie's Barbecue Pit, awesome. I'd love to try one of them, I've heard of them. Few pawn shops, not crazy numbers. So this is Mojave country, past Mojave High School and College, adult city bookstore, and supplements. A lot of dollar stores around here. Dollar General, Dollar Tree, Family Dollar. I'm not 100% convinced that I shouldn't be going on another junction. Kingman. Yeah, mate, we need to carry on as we were. We're all sorted now. Burlington Northern. Now look at the trailer rigs on it. Don't worry about putting the container on, mate. Just stick the whole trailer on. We haven't got time for that. For burros. We'll see if we can see a burro. It's one of the features of this road. Well, we just got pulled over, but quite pick up on the speed through here. I don't know where he was, and I was doing 65 and a 35. He ran the plates and wanted to know all about what I was doing here, the conference, and the route that I was taking, all that sort of stuff. So people obviously take their dirt bikes out here and camp and what have you. That's what I'm talking about. Well, the Route 66 was the main arterial from, I think, Chicago to California, and crikey, just such an important road with some hard tails as well. Always imagined it being quite a major highway, but actually it's a neat small road. to historic Oatman. You reckon I'd be allowed to park there? We'll give it a go.
Did that cop have a sense of humor?
What's that?
That cop, did he have a sense of humor?
Oh yeah, you saw that. I'm recording, is that okay?
Oh yeah, I know.
I'm from New Zealand. I've got a little YouTube channel. What a nice guy.
Yeah?
I was doing 65.
Yeah.
And he realised it was a 35. I could have been in big trouble.
Yeah. That's why I was curious if he let you go or not.
Yeah, wow.
Nice.
And
I'm Callum.
Callum, nice to meet you. Wendy, Kelly, and
Gordon. How are you? Good.
Good.
You're just on your way.
I'm going through and I'd like to try and get down into Sedona and
Oh yeah.
it's going to be cold I think.
Yeah, it's a little
beautiful there.
Oh, you'll love that.
Go down through. You're gonna go down through Jerome.
Yeah, the 89A is
Yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. I love that area. We were there last year.
Stay on Whiskey Road.
this is the grilled pulled pork burger at the Oatman Hotel. What a place.
Can't read, so we just have to kind of do a rail system back there. So they can't read. Pretty much, yeah. That's how I
See, oh my gosh, it just feels amazing. That is 110%. Oh my goodness. Probably put a sip. Let's make our way to Kingman. Get on the road. Here's Mr. 901, whatever it is, 350s. Carrier. He's carrying his pistol on his leg. Well, I have to tell you, the Oatman Hotel I thoroughly recommend. I had the pulled pork brisket burger and it was the sensation of the tastiest burger that I've ever had. I said to the guy, and he said, well, they cooked that pork for about 14 hours. And the service is just so incredible. With the wait staff and stuff. Far out. They got served there and the burger arrived. Actually, it's probably quite a good choice for that, because of course it's all ready to go. And I had the meal on the table within 5 minutes, I'd say. Perfect. Check out these switchbacks here. This is why they're saying, don't bring your 40-foot truck or trailer down here, mate. Actually, to be honest, that's reminiscent of a road that I drove a truck and trailer rig on in the very south of Spain, over the Sierra Nevada mountains, going across down into so Granada, across sort of Malaga, and it was an old road like this, and I was crapping myself. Still Graves Pass, 3.5 4,000 feet. It would have been a hard grind up here in your old jalopy. Imagine the overheating, engine troubles, carrying as much oil as there would have been gas. Oh, these fellas are doing some good touring. Hang off the back of them. We're a 4-man crew now. I think one might be having a cigarette while he's riding. Well, you just got to soak it in. Well, a lot of people obviously choosing to make their home out on these plains, or are they choosing to, or just kind of need to? So a lot of trailers and shacks and things, and quite a few worrying signs around in terms of flooding, and because this obviously floods through here, and there's quite a few signs saying, you know, if it's flooding, turn back, don't want to drown, exiting to Kingman. Mr. D's Route 66 diner. We're heading out of Kingman, going towards Seligman and Flagstaff. 50 miles from Seligman, 40 minutes. 120 miles to Flagstaff. We're getting up in elevation now. We're over 4,000 feet. Still flipping hot. It's a little bit of a game of roulette too with the weather, because Flagstaff in particular has had some sort of really freezing weather recently. Let's take a look at Seligman. This is part of the old historic Route 66 as well. We make our escape. Roadkill Cafe. Oh, look at Seligman, isn't it a beaut? It's kind of too much just to take in. Look at this. Well, there's so much good stuff. I've got to get on the road. I can really understand why now you see all the sort of the big Dodge Rams and things, which just looks so ridiculous in New Zealand. But when you look at sort of these freeway roads, and like that road is coming out of from Death Valley yesterday going down to Baker at night and stuff, you can really understand why people like big trucks. America's got bigism. At the little diner earlier, the lady gave me a small Coke. She delivered it. It's the biggest Coke I've ever had. It's reading the eye of the needle, coming through Flagstaff and down to Sedona. Still snow on the sides of the road. You can see up in the hills again. Well, we're about to turn off onto the 89A, Flagstaff down to Sedona. Not warm. In fact, I'll be pleased to get out of this area with all the snow about. It's cooling off dramatically. I do not want any ice. It's slightly milder here, slightly warmed up, and hopefully some of these red rocks will come into view. It says watch for ice. Well, I am. I'll just pull off here for a second. Whoop, 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 whoop. Well, you can see some of the epicness in front of us. Goodness me, check this out. The landforms here are just epic. Right, we're pulling to the little town of Sedona. And Sedona obviously just has this extraordinary backdrop of mountains and canyons. Well, the sun's setting over the mountain. We're at 3,500 feet. I think we got up to about 7,500 feet.
Hanging on to hope and holding on to a dream.
I couldn't not come to Jerome with a name like Jerome. And it looks like it'd be a cool place to stay in, but it's a bit cool there. I just don't want to get trapped in snow when the weather comes through. What a cool road.
Someone saw you at the bar. Was it the
Okay, we're coming into Jerome.
your car? It's getting older
5,200 feet, founded 1876.
sometimes. Baby, you are using the same old lines. I'll leave it all behind. I wasted too much time. I've been blind. 'Cause there's no fixing what's been broken. This ain't the first time I'll be drinking you off my mind.
A old Spanish sort of hilltop village. Wonder if that's the main hotel in Jerome. Ghost City Inn.
The rain is pouring down, but my feet are walking to a different sound. I'll leave the bitter taste of
Oh wow. Wow, we're just going through so fast.
I'll leave.
Gosh. Oh. Should have stayed in Jerome. Oh, there's a lesson for you. Just about falling off, looking at stuff.
Leading us back home. This
Well, take a photo. It's like the epic hamburger.
at the bottom of the barrel, there's no love to be found.
Enjoy your meal. What have you got?
Oh, we went to the Cornish pasty.
Oh, you could. I can't believe I've decided to stay in Prescott. I should have stayed here. Far out.
Take a look at your pictures. Make sure they.
Oh, it'll be fine.
We can take more.
No, it'll be. Oh, look at that. Crumbs.
Okay.
Yeah, mate, that's amazing.
All right.
Thanks, guys. Hey, nice one. Have a good one. Well, Jerome looks amazing. But we've got to move on.
I'll leave.
Well, we just passed the sign saying elevation 6,000 feet. So we must be just about at the top now. Just take it easy. There's snow on the side of the road. Well, we've got to be near the top now. Actually need to have a pee, but I'm a bit scared to pull over in case a bear comes out. 6,700 feet. 40 degrees Fahrenheit. There's snow on both sides. It's just looking a bit shiny back there. I'm going to take a leak. I'll tell you one thing, I'll turn the bike off. Now if we could just get to the top of this and over. Well, we're pulling into Prescott now. Well, end of a long day actually. It feels a bit longer than yesterday's, so pleased to be pulling in. But I think it's because I've been waiting until now to have a really good meal. So lunch was the last decent meal, and probably could have used something in between. We're 150 meters. Where's the camp office? There it is. I was going to say, there's snow here. No wonder it's freezing.
How about that? Palace, Whiskey Row in Prescott.